no psh, no psh, psh noises. Today we're gonna change that.
Oh, it's an STI.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's...
No, it's not. Don't tell people that.
Mint.
No, it's clap.
It's mint.
Yeah, it's clap. There we go. That. Trash. Alright, pimps. Today we're going to be taking off this OEM bypass valve. Throwing in one of them psh, psh valves. That's right. You know what that is? You know what that is, Pat?
Ooh, what is it?
It's called a blowoff valve. So this is the TurboXS RFL. Stands for really loud. I'm not kidding, it really does stand for that.
Ooh.
So,
Install done. Let's close it up.
Easy.
Let's close it up. See you guys in the next video.
So this should be super easy. 2 bolts here. This threads on there. Goes out to here. This is just a plug. Plugs into that.
You got the good stuff?
Yeah, this is the plug.
This is the plug. Plug for the hose.
Plug for the hose.
Hey.
You know where I can find one of those? A plug for the hose?
No.
Yeah, me either. Ooh. Solid.
Shiny. 5 horsepower.
5 horsepower right there. What do we need? Ooh.
One for 14, one for 12.
Good cameraman, giving me the tools. My back already hurts, dude.
Dude's younger than me and acting like he has back problems.
I got mechanic back, bro. Not even a mechanic.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's gonna suck.
Yeah, it's a turbo.
Huh? Huh? Just like that.
Here we go.
You can see that this one recirculates back to the turbo, and this one vents to atmosphere. Should be extremely loud. I mean, that's a big difference. All right, so got the clamp on there. Got the plug on the hose. So now we just bolt up the blowoff valve, I guess. Yeah, I knew that because it's supposed to be 2 12s. So this one will fit. See, it'll go right through. But we might have to drill this out.
Okay. It won't take long.
Alright, let me double check this one.
Don't skip a tooth.
I like that. I like that. Alright, that should be everything. I'm kind of nervous because that was really easy.
Hopefully there's no vacuum leak.
Dude, I think this is the first thing I've ever done under the hood, besides maintenance wise. Or no, I did the aero separator. All right, so we're gonna add one more spring, and that should give us some pretty good results. Woo. All right, so we got 4 washers in there.
5.
5?
We had 5 before, right?
We had 4. Yeah, we have 5 now.
No, we have 5 now.
Cool. All right, so we got the blowoff valve installed. It got kind of dark, and I wanted the footage to not look terrible quality. So we're gonna try to get some flybys, some sound clips. The lip is gone, and the bumper's cracked. Let's clap. All right. Couple things I didn't film. I installed the harness bar, the harness, the lip came off obviously, and then I installed lowering springs and a diffuser. The diffuser goes dumb crazy. Did you get that?
Yeah! Yes, I got it.
I hope you guys enjoyed the blow-off valve video. I definitely enjoyed the blow-off valve. I think it's cool. I do want to point out, I put the spoiler back on, and then now we have the rear diffuser.
Golly.
Yeah, you can kind of tell that we lowered it, but again, I just put springs on it. I want to eventually bag this car, but that's like $4 grand, and I got a lot of other plans before that, so. No.